Hello students, class 12th commerce, accountancy. It is chapter number 3rd and lecture number 2. See, in previous lecture I told you the methods to calculate goodwill. And now the same I am continuing. Now the method is different. It is another method, capitalization method to find goodwill. Under this method, goodwill can be calculated in two ways. Means there are two ways by which the goodwill can be calculated. First method. Capitalization of average profits method. And the formula is average profits into 100 upon normal rate of return. Average profits you will find by adding all the profits, by subtracting the losses, and those will be divided by number of years. This will give you average profits. And then normal rate of return, it will be given to you in question NRR. It can be by the name of NRR. It can be written clearly normal rate of return. Then see, how will you calculate goodwill? Capitalization of average profits method से हम goodwill कैसे निकालेंगे? Now listen. Goodwill is equals to capitalized value of average profits. ये जो आपने अभी में किया है, फार्मूला को यूज करके जो भी मनी आपको मिलेगी दैट विल बी इन द नेम ऑफ कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स माइनस नेट एसेट्स. फॉर्मूला नंबर 2, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड. गुडविल इज इक्वल टू गुडविल इनटू 100 upon NRR. Accounting treatment of goodwill where there is a change in profit sharing ratio. Now move on to question. P, Q and R are equal partners. They decided that in future R will get 1/5 share in the profits. On the day of change, firm's goodwill is valued at rupees 3 lakh. Make the necessary journal entry. And now listen. PQR, they are equal partners. They decided that in future R को हम देंगे 1/5 share. It is 1 minus 1/5, 4/5 and half P ले लेगा और half Q ले लेगा. Now move on to the solution. Now see solution. Old ratio है जो आपका, it is of P, Q and R. It is 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. New ratio 2/5 is to 2/5 is to 1/5. Sacrifice or gain. To find sacrifice or gain, again the same formula which I told you in previous lecture, the same you will do now. It will be old ratio minus new ratio, and the same has been done. You can see on your screen. P is equal to old ratio 1/3 minus new ratio 2/5. It is now gain. It is minus 1 upon 15 gain. Minus I have not written, but when you calculate the figure that you will get 1 will be in minus. Move on to Q. Q is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 by 5. Q is also gaining in the same as of P. 1 by 15 is gaining for Q. Now move on to R. R is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. The result is 2 by 15. It is the sacrifice of R. Now see the journal entry. The journal entry will be in gain to sacrifice. In previous lecture, in previous slide, not in lecture, in previous slide you can see who gained. P and Q, they gained, and R did sacrifice. P's capital account debit 20,000, Q's capital account debit 20,000 to R's capital account 40,000. Are compensated by P and Q for the sacrifice made by them. Accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits when there is a change in profit sharing ratio in existing partners. Point number 1, for transfer of shares and accumulated profits. Reserve account debit, profit and loss, P&L account debit, workman compensation reserve, WCR account debit, investment fluctuation reserve, IFR account debit to old partners capital accounts or current accounts. When capital is fluctuating, it will be your capital account. When partners capital account is it is fixed, in that case you will write current account. Third number, for transfer of losses, accumulated losses. Old partners capital or current accounts debit. If capital is fluctuating, you will write capital. If capital account is fixed, you will write current accounts. Old partners capital or current accounts debit to P&L account, to deferred revenue expenditure account, and this entry you will do in old profit sharing ratio. Now move on to another topic, and that topic is workman compensation reserve. One number, when there is no claim against workman compensation reserve. Journal entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital accounts. Workman compensation reserve credited to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. And again, try to understand, workman compensation reserve is appearing in balance sheet in liabilities side. थोड़ा सा पैसा आपने वर्कमैन के लिए बचा के रखा, बट दैट मनी वॉज नॉट यूज्ड थ्रू आउट द ईयर. This reserve you created out of profits, but they were not used. इसलिए पार्टनर को हमने वो पैसा ईयर एंड पर वापसी दे दिया. When partners are in profit, their capital account is credited, and the same you can see in first number journal entry. 2 number. If the claim for workman compensation reserve is lower than the amount of वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व. सी, क्लेम आपका WCR के लिए क्लेम कम है और जो पैसा आपने बचा के रखा है बैलेंस शीट में, बैलेंस शीट वाला मनी ज़्यादा है और आपको पे कम करना है. अगेन द पार्टनर्स दे आर इन प्रॉफिट, सो देयर कैपिटल अकाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल, बहुत आसान है, बस ध्यान से सुनते जाइए. वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोविज़न फॉर वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम भी आप लिख सकते हैं, WCR क्लेम भी लिख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. टू प्रोविज़न फॉर वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व क्लेम अकाउंट और वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम अकाउंट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. Amount of claim transferred to liability and the balance to partners capital accounts in their old PSR. PSR means profit sharing ratio. Third number, if the claim is equal to WCR. WCR means वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व. अब देखिए, जितना आपने पैसा बचा के रखा उतने का ही क्लेम है आपके पास में, और ये क्लेम आपको मिला एडजस्टमेंट से. WCR अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोविजन फॉर वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम अकाउंट. Provision made for workman compensation claim. 4 number, if the claim is more than the amount of WCR. WCR means workman compensation reserve. अब यहाँ बात समझिए, बैलेंस शीट में पैसा है आपके पास में कम और क्लेम है ज़्यादा का. In that case the firm will be in loss, और बिकॉज ऑफ लॉस हमने रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट को यहाँ पर डेबिट किया है. वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट, रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोविजन फॉर वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम अकाउंट. अमाउंट ऑफ क्लेम डेबिटेड टू वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व एंड रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. मान लीजिए आपने वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व रखा 10,000 का और वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम है 15,000 का, तो WCR में आप लाएंगे 10,000, 5,000 का नुकसान हो गया. दैट 5,000 विल बी रिटर्न ऑन रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. WCR में आपने 10,000 लिखना है, 5,000 यू विल राइट इन रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, और टोटल 15,000 you will write in credit side to provision for workman compensation claim, and the narration will be amount of claim debited to workman compensation reserve and revaluation account. Then देखिए, जो लॉस को आपने डेबिट किया था पिछला वाला जर्नल में, अब क्या करेंगे आप, लॉस है, पार्टनर का कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट हो जाएगा एंड द सेम इज डन. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, लॉस ऑन रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट ट्रांसफर्ड टू कैपिटल अकाउंट्स ऑफ पार्टनर्स इन देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. थैंक यू सो मच. Wherever you feel any confusion, any doubt, you can call me, you can contact me. There are so many ways, methods given to you then that you can ask your query ध्यान से पढ़िए मन लगाकर।